Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have like a little two-part haul, so if you're interested to see what I purchased, stay tuned. Okay, so starting out, this is my order from Krissyanne Designs, and it actually has my weekly kit that I purchased for this week, so it came in perfect timing. Today is Monday. But yeah, so starting out, I will move it off to the side. I did purchase the new pen that she released. I'm interested to see how this writes compared to the others. So I don't know if I want to like write on here. I think I will. I'm just gonna write CAD. And then I'm going to pull out my other pens that I typically use with her stickers. And those are all the way at the bottom in here. So I like the 03 in that, and then I don't know if oh, here it is. Okay. The Sharpie pen. So this is an ultra fine point as well. And I feel like that kind of writes similar. The only difference is the Sharpie, if you like move it, there's kind of like a red tinge to it, and the Krissyanne Designs pen does not do that. Now this one is the Micro Perm in 03. That one doesn't have the tinge as well, and it's thinner. So definitely good to have in the collection. And this was the freebie that I got for March. And then I had to pick this pouch up. This she released at Go Wild. I don't know if it was like just at her table or if it was a freebie that everyone got, but this was so cute. It says not for basic Bics, and I wrote on her Instagram that I was going to put all of my superior pens in this pouch, so that's pretty funny. But yeah, this is just super cute, and I actually thought that it was going to be more of like a canvas material, and it's actually pleather, so that is nice. And I love the little cheetah print in the background. So I picked that up, and then next is all of our stickers. So first I picked up the Easter coordinate sheets, as well as the sheet that was supposed to be in, well, like this sheet is the one that typically comes in the Celebrations collection, but some of the kits she'll make them that you can buy separately, and this one was because like it's a religious holiday, so not everyone celebrates it. So I just picked up these 3 sheets, and you'll see why when I do a plan with me, because I do have an idea. I didn't want to purchase the other add-ons like the thick washi and the boxes. And then next we have a whole stack of functional stickers. So these are fun. So this is a printer just for like when I make stickers, and then I did grab the Happy Mail icon that she uses. I will say these are quite bigger than I thought they would be. I should have got like those smaller sheets. This is a bathtub. The car. I love her new icons. They're just so pretty. And then that was it for icons. The rest are scripts. So I got this noted and like this bubble, black and white. I love these. They're so functional. This says task list. I got today's focus, and I got all of these in the grayscale, so in case you were wondering. And then I got some of these fun, like, what are these? Like, script samplers. I can't remember the name of all of them, but this one has, like, shopping, morning routine, errands, monthly prep, lists, and weekly prep. It's kind of odd that there's no evening routine, just morning. This one, chores, deep clean, adulting, tidy up, busy, and trash day. I love that there's like so many different fonts. And then I grabbed work, and then this one has various film, edit, and upload. So yeah, that was everything for my Krissyanne Designs haul. I don't have the order right now, but I'm going to film a second part to this haul when my PlannerKate order gets in, because that is somewhere in Pennsylvania. It's so weird. Like, it went from Ohio, which is where she's based, and then it went to Detroit because I'm in Michigan. The next step should have been my city, but then it went to Pennsylvania, and I honestly think it might be lost. But nonetheless, we're going to wait for that, and then, of course, you don't have to wait, but I will film that second half, and you'll see that now. Okay, guys, it's the next day, and my PlannerKate order came in, so we're going to move it off to the side, and I will go through everything. Of course, there's always her business card with the 20% off coupon code. And then for samplers, I got these stitched boxes. These canceled, which I like getting these because I never buy them and I need to start using them. This little habit tracker, day off, well, it's like a font E mixed script. These little dots, and then these little skinny labels. So I will put those in my sampler little book, which I actually almost need a new one because I only have 4 more open slots. So that is fun. Next, I picked up these black and white bill icons. I thought these would be fun to use to mark for certain bills. And I'll push that over there. I picked up June as well as July, the little doodle Erin Condren colorway sheets. I love these, and I hope she like continues to release these together because I would honestly like the whole last half of the year. Next, I picked up a lot of doodles in this order. So I picked up these school doodles in preparation because today, it is Wednesday, I signed my oldest up for preschool, which is so sad, but I'm happy to be able to use new cute stickers. But yeah, so I picked these up. They're different ones, but they're both for school. Next, I did pick up the holiday little clip art doodles. I never purchased these before. I think she's had them prior to this. She just renamed them Doodle because before they were like just a regular standard sheet. But yeah, so I picked these up. I thought they would just be nice to have on hand in case I needed a holiday sticker. So yeah, adding those to my collection. And then I did pick up this summer bucket list. I purchased all the other seasons, so this was the last and final one. But if you don't know how I use these, I used them in my April sidebar to kind of just mark down a few things. I think I did it in March no, I didn't do it in March or February. I guess, no. I forget where I did it before this, but I think I did it in my last planner. It's just something fun to use. But I love these, and I loved this little sticker for Zoo Day so much that I actually posted on her Facebook page asking if there was a way we could get a full sheet of just that sticker, and she told me to email her and she would make me one. So this is a custom sheet, and she actually titled it Doodle, oh, okay, I see. Doodle 17, which is this summer bucket list sheet. So it's kind of like the same name. I know a few other people were wanting one, so I think you can get it if you email her. But this is so amazing. I love it because it actually looks like the Detroit Zoo, which is where we go. It just looks like the entrance. So I picked up a full sheet of that, thanks to her for doing that custom for me. And then this was a retired sheet, and I loved this. I remember seeing this sheet on someone's plan with me a while ago, and she said that it was retired, and this was before she had did like the whole retired listing thing. So I'm super happy to have my hands on that. We love going to the zoo, so all the zoo stickers is always a good thing. But yeah, that rounds out my haul. So I just have this one here right now, but you seen yesterday me filming the Krissyanne Designs haul. And yeah, I just wanted to share those two little purchases that I've recently made. I know I'm not purchasing as much anymore with me making my own stickers, but there's still like a few things that I like purchasing from these shops. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on Friday with my daily petite plan with me. Bye guys.